to Math. Greeting to you all. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Mr. Daniel. Today we are going to show that 2 cos 2x over 1 plus cos 2x is identical to 1 minus half of sec square x. Now how do we prove that? Now from there we are going to proceed and find the value of the unknown. But for now, let's prove that the left hand side is identical to the right hand side. How do you detect that this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side? So when you are seated, you can already tell that this is what? My right hand side. Right, use your arms, you can already tell that. So this will be my right hand side, and this will be what? My left hand side. Now let's concentrate on the left hand side. With identities, we don't really move. Let's say maybe you want to make the denominators to be the same or move terms from one side to the other. We don't move terms from one side to the other side. So we only concentrate at one side. Choose the side that you're going to tackle and concentrate on that side, so that you can prove that that side that you're busy working on is identical to the other side. But some of the identities requires you to work on the left hand side and on the right hand side for it to be proven that the left hand and the right hand are identical. Okay, now let's rewrite what we have on our left. Remember, this is our left hand side. So we have cos 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. That is our left hand side. Right. Now remember, we have a compound formula for a double angle of cos. Right. So if we have some of us that are not aware of this, you can also watch my other video. I elaborated more on how to derive this type of formulas. Now let's substitute the formula for this double angle of cos. Now we have 2 cos square x minus 1. Why am I getting this? This is a double angle formula for what? For cos altogether. Now we also proceed. We go ahead over 1 plus, remember we have a double angle of what? Of cos. So let's substitute this one with its double angle formula. That is what? 2 cos x minus 1 altogether. Now at this point you can already tell that on our denominator we have what we call like terms. So which ones are like terms? You can already tell that these two are what? Constants. Now these two, negative 1 and positive 1, are identical. So when you add a negative number to a positive number, in this case 1 and 1, similar quantity, you can already tell this one is 1, this one is also 1. But the problem is this one is a negative and this one is a positive. So negative 1 plus 1, you are going to get what? 0 altogether. Yes. Now this what we are going to have after collecting the like terms on our what? On our denominator. So 2 cos x. Remember, the negative 1 and the positive 1 have cancelled each other. Right. Now at this point, remember that these are what? These are two fractions that we've combined together, that we have written in a what? In a single fraction altogether. We can still separate this. So how do we separate it? So we're going to say 2 cos x over 2 cos x minus 1 over 2 cos square x, isn't it? Right. This is similar to what? To this one altogether. Okay. From here you can already tell that these two are what? Are the same, are identical. So let's cancel this one. This one, as we cancel this one, we're going to get what? 1, isn't it? Now here we're not going to cancel anything altogether. Yes. Now, as a result, we're going to write it the way it is. So we're going to say 1 over what? 2 cos square x altogether. Now, this one can be written as 1 minus 1 over 2 multiplied by what? Sec, right? Multiplied by sec x altogether. Because now, as a result, we're going to get the final answer. Final answer is what? 1 over 2 sec square x. So that is now identical to what? To our right hand side, which is what? This one, right? This one is identical to what? To our right hand side, which is that one, which is proven altogether. But if you have some questions that you would like to ask, please ask. Post in my comment section. Post your questions. Maybe if there's a question maybe that you want me to attend it, please also post the question, because there's a person that asked me this to solve it. So if we have others that are facing similar problem with identities, they can also post their identities so that we can do it together. So good luck, enjoy. I hope you have learned 2 or 3 things from this video. So stay tuned for more. Please subscribe, share, comment, please. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.